Remember to discharge your refrigerant into a glass jar filled with rags. Let's see, discharging the system tells you exactly how to discharge your R12 into the atmosphere. This is 1969 Mercedes, and that's what I'm working on right now. Very detailed instructions. Always like these old books. So let's get over to the refrigerant charging. This is information that is not too easily leak testing. Evacuating cyst with a pump. And charging from a cylinder. Hey, look at that little can. The whack-off cans. Engine approximates 1,000 RPMs. So when I have a lot of extra time on my hand, I get to go over stuff like this and perform some procedures, except for that one. Checking the oil level on your compressor. Remember the old A6 shows you how to bend. So this would be a piece of wire, and it shows you what degrees, how many millimeters, what the angle is, and how to insert it into the oil drain plug on the A6 compressor, so you can measure how far up the stick it goes, so you know how full the oil is, whether you're low or you're high. Okay, so you guys who have one of these 200s.
1 kilo, sir.
One kilo even? Cool. 1 kilo of cocaine coming up. Okay. This is all on air conditioning on the old Mercedes. So you guys, this is what I learned on. That was my very first compressor to rebuild. Still have all the tools. And I have 2 compressors to rebuild. I said one day I would rebuild. Got to make a video on that. Okay. I'm trying to rush. I need to get over there. It's on the vacuum pump. And I gotta go put a kilo in there. But for the Mercedes-Benz nerds who don't get to see stuff like this, these are the books that I grew up on. Stuff like this. And I always hear guys say, but I didn't know. And the information was not available. I don't know, what's this? Papyrus and hieroglyphics. Okay. And now we're getting into the box. Evaporator coil. There's your temperature little pigtail wire thing for adjusting for your temperature. I wonder if they show you how. Yeah, they show you how to adjust it. So old General Motors, Chryslers had the same thing, and you would have to set your cut in and your cut out on your temperature sensor, so you can dial it in to cut your compressor on and off. They used to be made in America, and then General Motors started making them in Mexico. And so when you order your old stock, it's not old stock no more, made in America, it's now made in Mexico, if it's made at all anymore. Okay, that is it. And is there a cover still on this? There you go, service manual.